What's good, YouTube? It's Jada Michelle, and I am back again with a new video.
But I'll be on it always, always and ever.
So, what's up, guys? So, we're getting ready to go to Columbia, South Carolina to go to the zoo. And we're taking a little trip. Don't mind Mahogany. She's very much fussy this morning. But, we just getting ready before we can leave out. We leave it out around 6. I just got ready. So, yeah. But I'm not gonna really be talking too much right now. I'm gonna just show y'all the little scenery going down the roads and stuff. If I don't be asleep, if I do, I will. But hopefully, I don't know. So we're gonna see and see y'all when I get to a stopping point to talk and update y'all on.
To take a step out, get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out.
I know, but it go inside your thing. You see it?
Come on, just go with Kevin and Ben.
But here we are today, looking at lizards and geckos in their natural habitat. We got 2 right here, and we're about to go see some more. So stay tuned and froggy. Ooh.
zebras don't play in the wild.
I know.
Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always wanted you, but it's that.
He can't
So
hear you.
we finna go look at the flamingos. I got a lot of shots. I couldn't even talk, y'all, because like my mom and them kept on calling me. But we finna go look at the flamingos.
Kept that one. I ain't gonna hold you.
You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm pretty, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say.
Hey, little bro, I am sorry if I offended you. Please don't sneeze on me.
Oh my God. This is Dontavious.
Be around while you chase. You wanna hear me up when you make it. You'll try and come back when you're famous. I
Let's go over there and see what's over there. Cause
always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not base. You wanna get with me, stop. Y'all's on this side, y'all over on this side. Hey, told me about all your insecurities for what? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. And like guns with the aching, yeah, getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. Yeah, you play me, you play me. You my eyes, this can't be your first time. We my hands, this still first time. I'm looking for something to the you got that shit that somebody but love for, but won't fight. You my eyes, this can't be your first time. Looking for something to the that I can find. Why is this so for me? Oh yeah, just say alright. Oh yeah. You wanna get with me? Stop it.
Beat, right? No motherfucking beat.
The other day it was like a balmy 60 degrees. It sounds like a nice breeze. Katie was
Alligator again. Alligator.
You want to get going? Yeah. All right. My hygiene is poor.
Daddy, can you see that alligator again?
He just watch his poop.
man, come jump up here. I can take one of y'all home.
Let's look at you.
Camping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Take out. No monkey in the jungle, blind hot like a sauna. Bouncing off and I'm trying to weave an anaconda. Jumping in the water, trying to slip across the water glass. See yours out, got me big bad for Ronald. Out begging money, know I gotta have it.
Shake, senora. Shake about that
Tell them
life.
that we're leaving.
Okay, we leaving now. We finna go get something to eat. And see, the giraffes, my people. I love the giraffes. To the gorillas, y'all really lame. Y'all could have really sat there and hit. Y'all hit once, twice. Anyway, we got Kayla and Trent at the front looking like some bums, you know, because we look like the better couple. And I just feel like we did overall better than they did. We went all around, they didn't. Then, now we're gonna go eat. I'm gonna go stuff my face. I got like $20 in my pocket right now.
I don't know how much it costs.
Look, hey, look, I got more money if I need to, but
Bags. So we're gonna meet y'all at the place. We're gonna show y'all the food. That look good.
I got a new bag.
It look good. Especially in the sun, babe. I be looking good.
These.
I be looking good, babe. I just got out of the restroom, y'all. Why is my phone late? But the food was mid, but we finna get ready to go anyways. So yeah, I just had to catch y'all up. So peace. Y'all, I ain't gonna hold y'all. The food was very much mid. I rated it like a good old 7.5. To be real with y'all, I don't even like going to Japanese restaurants like that. And first of all, how the heck do you mess up an egg roll? Let's be for real. How do you mess up an egg roll? Let's be so freaking for real. I'm trying to figure out how you messed up an egg roll, y'all. Like, I was so mad. Chicken on a stick, it was mid. I thought chicken on a stick would be good, but it was cool or whatever. I'll say I already like a good old... It's not a 10. It's not a 5. It's not a 6. But I'll say a 7.28. I don't know. I tried to eat some fries and everything. The fries was cool or whatever. They just ain't have no ketchup there, so I was kind of a little mad about that. Okay, so this little chicken, what you dip up in like the red sauce, y'all. Not the red chicken, but it's this little chicken what you dip up in a red sauce. I forgot what it's called. Y'all, I bit into it. It did not have no type of chicken, like piece of meat up in there. Like usually they will have like a piece of meat. But that right there was only just like breading. And I did not like that. I ain't fuck with it, y'all. They had some ribs there. It was cool or whatever, but it was like mostly like fat. But it had some meat up there, so I kind of enjoyed the rib type, the barbecue rib. It was I rate that like a good old 8. The little butterfly shrimps, I liked those. I rate those a good old 10 because I like you wanna. The fries I rated a 10 too, because like y'all, it's fries. You can't mess up fries unless you don't put no salt in it on them. Let me see what else. Also, y'all, they messed up my drink, y'all. I asked for a Sprite. They gave me a pink lemonade. I ain't gonna say nothing is wrong with a pink lemonade, but I wanted a good old little Sprite so I could like burp and everything, but whatever, it'll be alright. I still drank it, but I ain't drank all of it. I drank a little bit of it. Let me see what else. Because right now I'm just talking about the food, y'all. Yeah, that was like pretty much it. It was cool or whatever. I love spending time with my boyfriend and everything. I wish I could. I wish I could have stayed longer, but my mom was like, but it's okay because I'm gonna be seeing him twice before we go back to school, because like I gotta get my hair did, y'all, because like we gotta take cap and gown pictures, And also, I'm just gonna go over there just chill with them as well. Probably like Tuesday. I'll probably go over there Tuesday, Monday, who knows. Whenever I could go over there, I'll go. I also gotta go over there, and yeah, I also gotta go over there for his sister to do my hair. So that would probably like be before school. So yeah. Yeah, I had a great time. I just wish like it wasn't that hectic like going up there, because like y'all, I'm not even gonna tell y'all, but I wish it was like better. Like going up there and stuff, cause like it was so hectic. I was irritated. I was already tired. Like y'all, I had to wake up early up in the morning. I went to sleep coming back. It wasn't like it was a good little minute sleep, but it wasn't a long sleep, y'all. I'm just talking y'all just to update y'all. I'm not gonna hold y'all, so because I haven't really been talking much up in the video, so y'all just gonna hear me talking for this little bit, and then I'm gonna just show y'all some pictures at the end probably. I don't know when this video is gonna even get out, y'all. Hopefully it will be out before I do my senior pictures, y'all, because I was gonna do like a little maintenance vlog, like when I'm getting my nails redid, y'all. These are my nails right now. I'm gonna be getting my nails redid, hair. Anyways, before I got highly interrupted, I said that I'm gonna get my nails did, my hair did, and I'm gonna do my lashes. And yeah, I think I gotta buy some heels, or I'm gonna see how my cousin's heels look. If so, I'll wear those. And I'm only wearing heels just to take the pictures, y'all, and that's it. But like separate pictures after I took my cap and gown pictures and stuff, I'm gonna just do like a little separate pictures and everything, and I might post them and stuff like that. But that's it, honestly, y'all, for what I'm gonna do today to my little maintenance vlog. So yeah, so we done made it back, but we're not home, but we made it back to for we could go home. We just dropped off my boyfriend, so yeah. So we finna head back home and everything. We had a good time and everything. I know I haven't been talking throughout the video, and the only things I was showing y'all was the animals, but that was like the whole part of the dang on video, me showing y'all the animals and stuff. I was going to the zoo. Also, it was very much hectic. Like, I kept on getting called throughout the first part of the video, because like my mom like, Jada, you got the picture? Jada, come over here and get the pictures. Like, you see me trying to get the pictures and everything like that. But we had a good time and everything. But I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog right here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for some more videos like this. And yeah, peace, love y'all.